Safe, reliable and emission-free power. New nuclear thinking. Rolls-Royce and the UKSA are developing novel, clean energy technologies, a versatile, next-generation micro-reactor. Scalable with multi-domain applicability. The micro-reactor uses an inherently safe and robust fuel form able to withstand the most extreme conditions. A graphite core structure constrains the fuel particles and transfers the heat away from the fuel to the power conversion system. Innovative heat exchanger technology enables the microreactor to be as efficient and lightweight as possible, vital for use in space. Here, the heat from the core is converted into electricity. The science and innovation of the microreactor offers endless opportunities. Because when the power to deliver and the power to explore combine, new horizons are reached. The potential of a clean, long-term power source on the Moon, reliably, flexibly and sustainably supporting a range of operational demands, providing power and heat output as required, powering new journeys, new connections, new understandings, new discovery. Rolls-Royce Micro-Reactor, the power to explore.